Do your friends, neighbors, or coworkers offer conflicting advice about Medicare? Don't listen to what everyone else has to say about enrolling in Medicare. It's what you and your friends don't know about Medicare that will hurt you, not just for today, but for the rest of your Medicare life. Hi, I'm Toni King. I'm America's Medicare coach. In November of 2008, a gentleman called me because he was given the wrong information about calling the 1-800 Social Security number and talking to a Social Security rep. I told him what he needed to do to correct his over $10,000 in a Medicare claim that was not paid by his insurance company, and to keep him from receiving the infamous Part B penalty claim that lasts the rest of your Medicare life. At that moment, I knew my calling. I made it my mission to educate not just my clients, but all of my Medicare American friends about the most important rules of Medicare and how to correctly enroll based on their unique set of circumstances. In my Medicare column, the Toni Says Medicare column, which first appeared in the Houston Chronicle in 2010, and now it is syndicated in more than 75 newspapers throughout the country and in over 100 radio stations nationwide in their newsletters. In my books, I put the Medicare and You Handbook into easy to understand people terms. In my first book, the Medicare Survival Guide, Advanced Edition, I will help you to unravel the stress, anxiety, and confusion of Medicare. In my second book, The Maze of Medicare, which is the only Medicare book that uses scriptures and positive quotes to help America understand Medicare in a positive environment. Proverbs 16:3 tells us, "Commit your work to the Lord, and your plans will be established." Whether you purchase my books, attend a webinar, complete my Medicare course online, or schedule a one-on-one consultation with me or one of my Toni Says Medicare team members, I urge you to seek wise counsel in navigating the maze of Medicare. We would love to hear from you, and until then, thanks for watching this video, and if you have any questions, please contact us. Thanks, and I'll talk with you later. Bye.